Welcome to my Horizon Glow Fiber Internet Provider Review Usage Experience. Links to their plans and services are provided in the description below. Horizon, also known as Glow Fiber, is a rapidly growing internet provider specializing in fiber optic connectivity for residential and business customers. They primarily focus on delivering fast, reliable internet to communities in Virginia, Maryland, Pennsylvania, and West Virginia. Designed for those who demand high-speed, low-latency internet, Horizon's plans are ideal for heavy internet users, gamers, streamers, and remote workers. Horizon's standout feature is its 100% fiber optic network, which provides symmetrical speeds ranging from 300 Mbps to 1 Gbps. Symmetrical speeds mean you get equal download and upload speeds, perfect for activities like video conferencing, cloud backups, and uploading large files. This makes Horizon a great choice for content creators, students, and professionals who need consistent performance. Additionally, their unlimited data policy ensures no throttling or overage fees, so you can use the internet as much as you need without worrying about hidden charges. Another major selling point is their straightforward pricing structure. Horizon offers no contracts and no surprise fees, which gives customers the flexibility to switch plans or providers without penalties. Installation is free in many cases, and their high-quality Wi-Fi equipment is included with most plans, ensuring excellent in-home coverage. For larger homes, they also provide optional mesh Wi-Fi systems to eliminate dead spots. Horizon's customer service is another highlight, with local support teams and 24/7 assistance via phone or chat. Customers often praise their responsiveness and technical expertise, making troubleshooting and service inquiries smooth and efficient. However, Horizon's availability is still limited to select regions, so it may not yet be an option for everyone. Additionally, while their prices are competitive, customers in areas with slower DSL providers may find Horizon's speeds to be a game changer, but at a higher cost than traditional broadband. In summary, Horizon Glow Fiber delivers high-speed, reliable, and affordable fiber optic internet with a customer-focused approach. If you're in their service area, this is a provider worth considering. Check the links in the description to explore their plans and see if they're available near you.